Namaskar. Nowadays, I see many people exhausted and dehydrated in this hot climate, struggling with digestion and searching for natural ways to boost their health. Today, I am going to share with you very simple and effective solution for this, and that is barley water. This ancient Ayurvedic remedy not only helps you to stay hydrated but also offers numerous health benefits. First, let me tell you how to prepare this healthy barley water. Take 1/4 cup of pearl barley, 4 cups of water, lemon juice to taste. Take pearl barley, rinse it thoroughly well under running water and soak it at least for 2 hours. Take a pan with 4 cups of water and bring it to boil. Now drain the water from the barley and transfer it into a boiling water. Let it simmer for 25 minutes. Stir nicely. Once the barley grains become soft, smashy and lightly sticky, switch off the heat and strain the mixture to separate the barley from barley water. If you are pressed for time, you can also pressure cook it for 5 whistles over low to medium heat. Allow the pressure of pressure cooker to release naturally and strain the water as usual. You can add lemon juice for taste if you wish, and here is a healthy barley water drink available to you. You can sip this water throughout the day, packed with nutrients, and drinking will be really good for you. Let me tell you some of the benefits of this drink. First, it aids in digestion because it is high in dietary fiber, which naturally help regulate bowel movement and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. The optimum fiber content also slows down the absorption of glucose, which helps to control blood sugar level. If you have diabetes or trying to manage blood sugar, barley water is very good. Second, barley water reduces cholesterol by helping the body to get rid of bile acid. This forces the liver to use more cholesterol to make new bile acid, lowering your overall cholesterol level. Third, it is also good remedy for urinary tract infection. Barley water acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production, helping flush out toxins from the urinary tract. This detoxification process also benefits liver by helping to cleanse the body. Fourth, barley water is also very good for maintaining electrolyte balance. It is rich in essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are crucial for fluid balance and muscle function. Hot weather, physical work, or exercise may deplete the electrolyte levels in your body. In such cases, barley water can really be helpful. In Ayurveda, barley water is known to have a balance in three dosha, that is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. It is especially helpful in balancing the Kapha dosha due to its diuretic and detoxifying properties. It also helps in soothing Pitta dosha by cooling the body and reducing inflammation. If you are a person with a dominance of Vata dosh, you should consume barley water in moderation, as excessive intake might increase dryness and coldness in your body. So hope you enjoy barley water and make use of it for your betterment. Namaskar.